Accepting 1K to 5K coaching enrollments can be exciting until your processor suddenly freezes your account. Those large payments can look suspicious if banks don't fully understand your business model. Here is a simple way to protect your high ticket coaching payments. Creating a one-page offer overview with your program details, deliverables, and refund terms shows you are running a legitimate, structured business. It is helpful if your processor ever questions a transaction, but it won't stop them from holding funds when they see sudden spikes in large payments. That's where EasyPay Direct makes things easier. Their thorough underwriting process helps banks understand your exact business model upfront, reducing the chance of payment holds. And with unlimited high ticket processing, you can accept larger coaching enrollments smoothly and securely. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With thorough underwriting and unlimited high ticket processing, you will have a stable setup for handling premium coaching clients. If you are enrolling clients into higher price coaching programs, EasyPay Direct gives you a reliable way to process payments without sudden account freezes. Click the link in the description to get started today.